here with Lalit Modi, the man of the season, right here in the cricket match, which feels more like a concert ground. Now I've seen you sign autographs. There's actually a camera, I don't know if you're aware of this, called Modi Cam.
Well, that's all made up.
It's not made up. I'm from the media. It's totally not made up.
I knew about it. Where is this Modi Cam?
This is a camera that just follows him. It's called Modi Cam.
No, there isn't one.
There is one. And do you feel like a superstar?
Is there a Modi Cam? I'm not looking
This
for
one's called Modi Cam. Isn't it called Modi Cam? This one's called Modi Cam. Do you feel like a superstar?
No, I don't. But I'm happy that people appreciate what we have done, and with that comes a lot of responsibility at the end of the day. And I'm happy that people are liking it, and that makes me happy.
Now, of course, you have changed the landscape of cricket. I mean, from making the cricketers commodities, like, walking, talking.
Commodities? They're not commodities. They are
walking, talking billboards.
And at the end of the day, they're getting paid for it, and that helps inspire a lot more youngsters to become cricketers. Cricket was never an aspirational sport for
But
people.
that's what I was going to ask, that you have changed the landscape. Do you think for the better? And why?
I think it's absolutely for the better. Our cricketers, our sportsmen, and if you look at other sportsmen around the world, our sportsmen were worst treated in the world. They never had money to even stand on their own 2 feet, or it could never be a vocation. And now it's become a vocation, and we have 1 billion plus people in this country, and cricket is so big, and though the cricket has never made any money, and that was the irony of it. And now today, yes, we are the biggest sport in the world. We will continue to become the biggest sport in the world, and yes, our cricketers will be the most highly paid sportsmen in the world, and that's what I want.
Will you do the same for hockey in India and for football and other sports in
I think
India?
all federations can do it. They need to put their mind to it.
But they need a Lalit Modi in there.
They need to find somebody to go out and do it. I have my.
Will you?
I would. It's very difficult. Again, as you saw, the history of how I got into this cricket world and how long it took and how long it took me to get there. Unfortunately, it's not based upon what you can do or deliver. It's based upon who you are and where you've come from.
And how quickly you can get in there.